Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Money Making Monday. It's the 6th of January. And in today's video, I have one play for you. One is a MT play, a medium term hold. But before I go into the play, let me delve into Friday's recap of the overall markets. It's very imperative that you pay attention to what's going on with the overall markets. The Dow rose 0.8% on the day to settle at 42,732, the Dow. Nasdaq spiked 1.77% on Friday to settle at 19,621, the Nas. Apple begging to differ. Apple fell 0.2% at $243.36. Apple. The big winner on the day, FCUV. FCUV spiked 177% to settle at 95 cents. The higher day was $1.08. Volume came in at 261 million shares exchanged hands. There were no news out in particular. Day's play today is a MT play, trading for a medium term hold. This one has some room to the upside. SWIN, SWIN, the stock is up 15%. At $2.15 at the recording of this video. Higher day thus far in the pre, $2.81. This one stays above $2.15. That's a sign of strength. This one has room to about $2.95 in the short term. This one has spikeability. For example, March 4th through March 6th. The stock went from $7.30 all the way to $65.94. Let's kick the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Brother, you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
They were a market cap of 30 million. 4 million in the float. 67% of the float are held by insiders. Let me repeat that. 67% of the float are held by insiders. This tells me directors and officers are putting their money where their mouth is. Let's continue. 0.5% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has 4% of the float.
Shorts.
3.4 million in revenues. Their revenue per share 0.25. They have a total cash of $2 million in hand and a total debt of $1 million. Their current ratio is sitting above par. Current ratio is sitting precisely at 2.12 over 2 times par. SWIN. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at The Petite for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. Always take care of your downside and let the upside take care of itself. Trade well, trade responsibly, and I'll see you when I see you. Take care.
Please subscribe.
Hey, I thank you for watching Dave Natch. Boom, bam. Like, share, and subscribe.
I'm out.
TSSI spiked a whopping and epic and eye-popping 5,185% for the year. Currently trading at $13.74. This one's in the IT space and the headquarters out of Texas. Please put a stock on this one for a buying opportunity. You want to hop in on this one on any dip. TSSI. Let's get the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Brother, you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
They were a market cap of 309 million. They have 13 million in the float. 25% of the float are held by insiders. 16% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has 0.14% of the float shorts. Their profit margin is a positive 3.2%. Their operating margin is a positive 14%. Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 6%. Their ROE, return on equity, is a positive 50%, 50%. ROE and ROA are monies the company are making on their investments. 61 million in revenues. Their revenue per share, 2.81. This is TSSI. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is a positive 3.73 million. 2 million in net income. Their quarterly earnings growth is up 345% year over year. Let me say that one more time. Quarterly earnings growth is up 345% year over year. Earnings growth is the number one catalyst to propel a stock upwards. So pay attention to this one, TSSI. They have a total cash of 8.3 million in hand and a total debt of 4 million. Their current ratio is sitting just above par. Current ratio is sitting precisely at 1.09 TSSI. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at WT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, go back to your Sunday activities. I'll see you tomorrow with Money Making Monday. Take care of yourself. Be safe. Until then,
You're
I'm
welcome.
out. Boom,
Have a
bam.
beautiful
Make
Sunday,
your next
baby.
trade
That's right.
your best
Let's
trade.
go. I helped you. Let's go.